Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a pretty cool spinner. Here with me I have the Muyi Crucible spinner in copper and copper nickel, and we're gonna check out the look, the sound and the feel of this little fella. But hey, don't forget to like this video, and maybe don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you aren't already subscribed, and because that's gonna keep me bringing you this kind of stuff. Look at that. I mean, this is one of the most beautiful spinner that is around. It's a fantastic one. Crucible Muyi spinner. This is just the extra case for the 3 extra weight, because these guys, they usually come in 3 weights only, not in 6. And on the top of the box here you can pull this little envelope, and you can find inside some extra goodies, like you're gonna find for example, the tool to take this guy apart. You're gonna find another tool to take down the bearing on the inside, and a couple of stickers, and that is it. So let's just move this out of the way, and this is your Crucible Muyi spinner. It's amazing. It has like this is copper nickel, the shiny silver stuff, and copper, and this is a special copper. It's kind of like a mustardy, like a varnished copper. It's just gorgeous to look at. Really cool indeed. Let's quickly check the size on this guy over here. So like the width is gonna be 1.81 inches, and the thickness at the button, let's say right over here, is going to be 0.75 inches. And let's quickly check how this guy compares, for example, up against the Ambori, that's the Hex Diamond, and right over here you've got the Ruisha, that's a spaceship, and this is like a Play My Music EDC Decision Commander. It's just another pretty cool spinner and clicker right there. And here you have the ACEDC, that's the start, another pretty cool spinner right there. This is EDC Lung Wanwu Studio Doji Shield, and another pretty cool one you've got over here is the Gamer Pro in Zirk by also ACEDC, and just another couple more. This is the Black Mirror Design telephone dial in Zirk, and right over here Maki 3rd anniversary coin haptic right over there. So Muyi Crucible spinner is just, I think, I don't know, one of the most attractive spinners around. It's very complicated. All these weights, they come apart. So you can unscrew the cap and you can unscrew the base. And you see like this kind of caps, they come with these holes where you can install tricks, vials, so, or like the newest UV sensitive colored rods. So it's gonna be just fantastic. Like for example, I have in this one, I have installed the red ones, and it's gonna be if you use a UV light, I don't know if it's gonna work. Let me try and take UV light over here, so you can see if I shine, you see, it just picks up the color. Look at that. I should turn off the lights, but now you can actually see, right, that it's shiny. It's just a beautiful thing that you can do and install in each one of these guys. You know, it's gonna be costing pretty penny, but yeah, it's gonna be super cool. So you can decide how to use this fella over here. You can decide how many weights you're gonna have, because you can use, like for example, 6, or you can remove 2 and use these 4 over here, or you can remove 3, for example, 1, 2, 3, and you just remain with these 3, or you can use 2, so you remain these 2 here, and you're gonna have these 2 left, and it's gonna be spinning in a balanced way. I have to say that this is like, the spinning time on this guy is just ridiculous. It's because probably of the weight, which we can actually check, but this guy is spinning for a long time in a steady way without wobbling. It's just gorgeous. Let's quickly check out. This guy is 4.49 ounces, so it's not a light weight for sure, but it's really gorgeous. I mean, to look at, just fantastic. The finish is very well made. And I mean, the look is just fantastic. You've got these windows in each weight. You've got the 3 slots on the central body, and you can just unscrew the central part like that. And notice that this can come out like so. And right over here, you can find, where is it? Here. You can find the number, which actually has to correspond to the back of the box. So you see, this is number 65 of 99 made, and on the inside you have to match. You have to find the matching number to make sure that that's like a genuine product. And this guy, you can just screw that in, like so, and it's gonna be all right. And you just pop that in, and this guy is gonna go back together like so. So very, very cool. The sound also is very unique because it's like this, almost inaudible. Super pleasant, and because of the weight of this guy, you're gonna have a very, very strong momentum. You have the gyroscopic effect absolutely enhanced because of the extra weight on the perimeter. It's gonna be fantastic to feel in the hand. You can balance it. I've seen people doing some tricks. I'm not gonna do those because I'm not that good, but you can actually make it jump on your fingertips, and it's just so cool. And you can especially do it with something that is like this well balanced. So I mean, this is just truly, truly a fantastic spinner. I love it. I'm not a spinner guy, but I mean, when it's like down to these guys like that, I love them because it's just they're just so good. It's they look beautiful, they feel fantastic in the hand, they sound like incredibly silent, and I just like them. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.